after school shopping. कोई बात नहीं, लेके आओ.
चलो तू.
No. I don't. Wait. Something gravy still?
I know.
Rice.
Yeah, watermelon.
Everyone.
Sarama?
What do you want?
One second, Uncle.
Mama. Mama.
Lejo.
Pani.
Just pull that bowl towards you.
Mom.
Pickle. Cute.
आज करना देवे तो बहुत अच्छा से खाना.
I'm taking something for YouTube.
I'm gonna put it as.
You're eating very well, baby. Like a
Movie?
big man. Yeah, that's how. So?
I'm going to mix them up. I'm going to mix up this, okay? Eat. Some of it.
Next.
दो स्टिक गिलास.
इधर आकर का.
Mama, pickle. Curd rice and pickle. And my photo.
No?
Now you are putting the your phone.
Why you can't keep it there?
I'm expecting a call.
Huh? They will wait.
We used to have this when we were kids, no?
Nice.
Also, you put the curry before the rice.
Then the glass one. So, Steve, take Dada's glasses. Right? This one, Kannadi.
Okay, level there.
This bony beef makes such a difference, no?
Gravy,
yeah. Then?
Dada.
I forgot about your cholesterol.
I still stand by what I said. Right?
I love pickle.
The cholesterol, what you need to look at is?
Mom, can you give
You
me
saw
water?
triglyceride.
Mom,
What you
can you
read
make
is
me drink water?
165.
Yeah.
It's you read high and high it is.
Take with this hand.
He comes under the slot of high.
No, he comes under medium.
Higher.
And
No,
then-
you read it. That's what I read the whole thing. Everything is high.
You know what, David? See what I have. Pickle, curd, and rice.
Take it, I'll show you. I read the whole thing one by one.
When we
165?
small,
It's written on the high.
you found one. Crunchy.
I scrolled from the beginning, read one by
What?
one.
And one, yeah.
And I gave it to him to do the study.
I'll just tell Mama to give, okay? Mama, each one's just crunchy. Should I give her, can you give her one from the cookie thing?
I'm not going to tell you what to eat and what not to eat. Claire. You have to decide. By telling you, it won't make a difference.
Right?
You must do what you want anyway, no? So, better for you to decide what you should eat.
I'm going to give Mama chicken.
Enough, Mama, enough.
You gave me a chili. I like licking them. I love them. Yep.
Finish your rice, Richard, please.
So I got 2 pickles. 2 pickles. I got. I gave it one day. We said at mall, no? In school.
Yes, Steve. Good reading.
Oh. Rock. Emmer is. Mommy, you know one day what happened in school?
Mm-hmm.
We gave it an emmer. And one day, you know what I said in school? Red berry.
No,
I said red berry, you know?
Strawberries are red berries.
Come Madhuri, come to
they shifted their house around.
Where is the shifter?
No, they shifted that day, but there's a lot of work to be done.
Shift it again, Mom. Can you give me beef?
Sure.
Fat is not good to eat, no beef fat.
This beef is full of fat.
Hmm?
The fat was like one thick layer.
This?
Bone is there.
And you remove and throw it.
Okay, like bone.
Throwed it? Removed and throwed it?
Through it.
Is there more of beef in it?
Magic.
All beef, hey, Coco?
Not so much. I thought making a big bowl.
Fat is over all.
We take this papaya. Take a papaya, dinner. Then after I give one more fruit.
Hey, one more?
Fruit.
Banana.
You eat, Papa. You eat your rice, finish it.
I need to wash my hands. I will wash my hands.
Is there more beef?
David already actually.
Really,
Castle was going on.
I really enjoyed the way he was eating.